In this video, we are going to learn how to make a ice cream stick or a popsicle stick home decor. So to make this home decor, you will be requiring these materials. So guys, now first to start with our ice cream stick home decor. Now because this is a home decor, you may hang this outside your main door or somewhere else, maybe outside your room door as well. So we are going to make a house shaped with some ice cream sticks. Now I have some of these colorful ice cream sticks from which we are going to make our home decor. Now this home decor will be a house shape. So for a house shape, first we will align some of these. We'll take some of these ice cream sticks over here and we will align them properly, forming a house shape. So first let's align this properly. So I want my house shape to look something like this. Now because we are going to hang it, or you can even stick it at a door, we are going to attach ribbon over here, which is optional. If you don't want to attach ribbon, you can definitely not do that and instead stick this on the wall. But because we are going to hang it, I'm going to attach some ribbon over here and we are going to tie it over here or maybe even stick it. I haven't decided it, but this is most probably going to be the basic structure of our home decor. So first we are going to glue this all up and then I will show you how does everything after gluing up look like. So guys, now I have glued this all up and now we are going to keep this on a side because we are not going to simply put this on the wall or hang it, but we are going to do some decoration on it as well. So first we'll keep this on a side, and once we keep this on a side, and we are going to make some types of flowers which we are going to stick on our home decor. So for the first flower, I'm going to bring in some of this pink paper and we are going to fold it something like this. So we will be wanting a square and this square will not be a big square, we instead want a small square. So first we are going to divide this page into 3 equal parts. So for that, first we are going to do something like this. We are going to push the page from both the sides until it forms something a shape like this, and then we are going to slowly fold it. So now we have three parts of this paper, and now we are going to fold it from the middle like this. Now once we fold it, now if we open it, we have 6 squares over here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now each of these squares represents one layer of the flower we are going to make. So I'm going to make a total of 3-layer flower. So we are going to cut 3 of these. So first let's cut 3 of these squares. So guys, now I have cut 3 squares out of this. Now we will keep 2 of them on a side and we are going to only work with one for now. First we are going to fold it from here like this. Once we do that, we'll fold it once again. And now we are going to fold it something like this. So we get a triangle at the end. Now this triangle should be perfect. It shouldn't have any types. It should look good. So our flower comes out well. So we are going to fold this properly now. and as you can see it is almost very proper, which is enough for now. Now we are going to draw something on it, and which we are going to cut to make the exact shape of our flower. So first let's do that. So we are going to make a shape something like this, with a small circle on the bottom and three of these petals. Now we are going to cut this. So first let's cut this. So guys, now after cutting it should look something like this. Now we are going to open it. Now you can see it has come out so perfectly. We are going to do the same process with these two sheets as well, and after making that we are going to glue them on top of each other so that we have a nice shape of a flower. Now similarly we are going to do the same with the red sheet which I showed you, which is over here, and we are also going to make a red flower and a pink flower. So first let's make both of these flowers, then I will show you how does both of those flowers final looks look like. So guys, now I have made three of these, and now we are going to make the flower. So for the flower we are going to attach three of these like this, making it a flower. Now you may think that this isn't a flower, and this does not look good as well. But now we are going to do something very important. We are going to take a pencil or a pen in. So I have taken a pencil in, and with the back of the pencil, we'll first take one of these petals and we are going to squeeze it in like this, which will give it a little bit of texture. And from the middle, instead of being pointy, it will be a little bit curved, which will look nice as well. So I have done it a little bit. Now I will do it, and as I said you, instead of being pointy from the back, it is a little bit curved, which would also look nice because it is a little bit curved, and a curve is always look nice. So we are going to do this with all of these. Now after doing all of these, we are going to glue them all up. So first let's glue them up. Now as you can see, I have sticked them all up and it is slowly taking the shape of a flower. Now if you remember from this video over here, which you guys liked as well, we were making a flower bouquet in that video. The small flowers which we used in that, we are going to attach those small flowers over here in the middle. Instead, of attaching a small cutout of a paper, we are instead attaching a flower on top of a flower. So first, for making that flower, you may check out that video and check out how I made that flower, and we are going to attach that flower over here. So first let's do that. So guys, now I have stick this flower on top of each other, and as you can notice, I have curved these sides a little bit so that our flower looks nice. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, I have this small flower over here which we are going to stick in the middle so that our flower looks even more nice. So first let's stick it. So guys, now I have stick the flower on this flower. So we basically have a flower on a flower, and now our flower is looking even more better. Now similarly, I have made a red flower as well. So similarly, I have this red flower over here as well, on which I have sticked another pink flower, and now both of our flowers are ready. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, similar to these flowers, we have to make a small flower. Making this flower is optional, but I have made it, so let me show you. So I made this small yellow color flower which we are also going to use in our home decor, and I have also made two leaves. So I have two of these leaves, as you can see, and I have our home decor over here as well. Now we are going to arrange it properly and look at what our final home decor piece should look like after sticking everything. So I'm going to stick one leaf over here and one leaf on the top over here, and I'm going to stick this red flower over here, this yellow flower over here, and this pink flower will go over here. So this is how our final shape should look like. So first let's glue this all up, then we are going to stick the ribbon up there. So guys, now I have glued up everything and this is how our final piece looks like. But still we have to do some things like attaching the ribbon and a few more decorations as well. So first we are going to attach the ribbon. So first let's bring that in. So guys, now I have stick this flower over here and the ribbon on top over here as well. So our home decor is finally ready now, and as you can see now I have also attached some mirrors over here as well, which will look even more better on our home decor. So with this ribbon you can tie it or hang it anywhere, because of which it would look definitely very nice. With air it could move, or even staying at one place it would look quite nice. So this was how to make a ice cream stick home decor. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends and maybe your family as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.